Welcome. In this video I'll show you two ways how you can host a website on Google Drive. So first we will want to leverage Google Drive to upload our files and then use a third-party website to host those files and view them on like a own domain. So first you want to obviously upload the website files to Google Drive. So we'll need to create a new folder. I'll call this my website, and then I'll click on create. So you can now see we have this folder right here, and if I go into that folder, we want to import the files, which will be a html.css file, index.html file and a stylesheet.css file. And now I've uploaded my basic website, and we now have our website files in this folder. So we now want to click on share, or right click and click on share, and then on share. And now we will want to change restricted to anyone with the link. And this means that anyone with this link can actually visit the website. So I'll click on copy link and click on done. Now we'll want to go to drv.tw. This is a website called Drive to Web, and here we want to click on host on Google Drive. Then we'll need to choose an account, and then we'll need to allow access to our Google account. Then we're in the admin panel, and we can now see in a moment you'll find links to your shared web pages below, and this is our website link, and you can see this is the link /my website, and the reason it is /my website is because it is this folder right here which we've shared. So keep in mind, if this doesn't work, make sure you only have one folder in your Google Drive with the which is also set to public. So now we can also see that we can also give this a site name. So we could, for example, give this our own website name, but in this case I'll just leave this to default. And then if we click on this link, we should be able to visit our website. Now I've actually been trying this a few times and I'm having troubles reaching this website. So if this also does not for you, there is also a second way how we can go about this. But usually you should then be able to visit this link and you should be able to see your website right here. Now, since this is an older version, or this is an old website, sometimes it might not work as we see here. So in that case, we will need to use an alternative called tiny.host. Now, I'll also leave a link to this down in the description, but let me show you how this works. So first you want to open up your File Explorer and then compress your website files to a zip file. Now if you have your CSS in your HTML file, you can also just upload an HTML file, but in this case I'll need to upload a zip folder because I actually need because I also have an external CSS file. Then we'll need to type in our email address. So in this case I'll type in my email address and then click on continue. Now you can see working magic, and here I'll first need to log in into my account. Now the reason for that is because I've already created an account with that email, so I'll need to log in into my account. So 1 second, and now email me login link, and you can see they've sent you a link to that email. So we will now need to go into our email inbox, take a look at the email, and you can see here it is. Now if you haven't created an account yet, you will receive an email like this where you will need to verify your account, and then if you already have an account, you just need to copy the link and then go back into the browser, paste in that link, and then you're in your dashboard, and here you can see we can upload our files. So I'll want to go back onto the home page because I'm now logged in, and I now want to upload a zip file. So I will now drag and drop this zip file into here, and you can see we have the zip file here, and we can click on publish. Now we could, as you saw there, we could have also entered in a domain name. Now in this case, this is my domain name, but I could have also set in like a different domain name. So if I now click on view site, you can see it shows you the website that I've uploaded. And yes, this is the website that I uploaded. And it also shows the CSS and the HTML content. Now, if you click on update, we could also change this domain name. So we could set this to some different domain name, click on update, you can see, and now we've changed the URL. And now our website is online. So the first method shows you exactly how to upload it or how to host your website using Google Drive. And if that doesn't work, just upload them to tiny.host and you'll be able to host your project there as well. And these are the two ways how you can host your website on either Google Drive or on that website. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video and thank you for watching.
Okay, let's go.
If you liked the video, then please like it. Subscribe it and don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching.